exploring Ed Sheeran, a journey through melody and fame. Start with a captivating montage of Ed Sheeran's most iconic concert moments, asking viewers, why is Ed Sheeran beloved worldwide? Stay tuned to find out. This hook not only grabs attention, but also sets the stage for a deep dive into his musical journey. Introducing the purpose of the video and the Music Educator channel. This video outlines what viewers can expect. This channel offers insights and deep dives into the lives of various artists, enhancing the understanding of their musical impact and personal stories. Ed Sheeran's story begins in the small town of Halifax, England, before moving to Framlingham, Suffolk, where he was raised. His modest upbringing in these quintessentially English locales shaped the relatable and down-to-earth persona that fans adore today. His musical journey took a pivotal turn when he moved to London, a city buzzing with artistic opportunities. This move was driven by his ambition to make it in the music industry, where he immersed himself in the vibrant local music scene. Highlighting his breakthrough moment, the narrative shifts to Ed playing in small, intimate venues across London. His raw talent and heartfelt performances caught the attention of fans and industry insiders alike in 2011, marking the beginning of his meteoric rise. Ed Sheeran's ascent to fame began with his debut album, Plus, which captured hearts worldwide. Its poignant single, The A-Team, shone a light on serious social issues with delicate lyrics, setting a precedent for his deeply narrative-driven songwriting style. His music uniquely blends folk melodies with pop sensibilities, making it universally appealing. This combination not only broadens his listener base, but also showcases Sheeran's versatility as an artist. His ability to weave complex emotional themes into catchy tunes is unparalleled. Following his initial success, Ed Sheeran released the album X. This record featured hits like Thinking Out Loud, which won him 2 Grammy Awards and further cemented his status in the music industry. His exploration of deeper romantic themes resonated with a global audience. His third album, All, was a blockbuster, featuring chart toppers like Shape of You and Castle on the Hill. These tracks highlighted his evolving musical style and knack for storytelling, capturing diverse aspects of human emotion and experience. Ed Sheeran's concerts are renowned for their intimacy, despite the large venues. His ability to connect with audiences around the globe through his heartfelt performances and relatable lyrics makes every show memorable, fostering a strong connection with fans. Ed Sheeran's songwriting process is deeply personal, allowing him to craft lyrics that echo the common experiences of love, loss, and life. His ability to write relatable songs has earned him a dedicated global fan base, making his music universally resonant. Sheeran's collaborations with various artists cut across different genres and borders, enhancing his musical diversity. These partnerships have not only broadened his artistic horizon, but also brought fresh flavors to his discography, appealing to an even wider audience. In 2016, Ed took a well-publicized break from music, focusing on his personal development and health. This hiatus was crucial for him, as it allowed him time to recharge and return to the music scene with renewed energy and creativity. His comeback was marked by the release of the album Equal Sign, which showcased a mature sound that diverged from his earlier works. This album reflects his growth as an artist and a person, exploring themes of love, family, and fame. Beyond his music, Sheeran has made significant contributions to various charities, emphasizing his commitment to educational and philanthropic causes. His involvement in these areas highlights his role as more than just a performer, but as a contributor to the broader community. Ed Sheeran's unexpected cameo in Game of Thrones sparked a mixture of delight and surprise among fans and viewers. His appearance as a singing soldier left audiences buzzing about the blending of modern music icons with epic fantasy storytelling. Social media plays a pivotal role in how Ed Sheeran connects with his fans. Through platforms like Instagram and Twitter, he shares personal insights, snippets of new music, and details of his daily life, strengthening his bond with fans worldwide. Fan testimonials frequently highlight the deep emotional connection listeners feel with Sheeran's music. Many describe his songs as soundtracks to their lives, praising his ability to articulate feelings of love, loss, and joy in a universally relatable way. Ed Sheeran's influence on contemporary pop culture is immense. His seamless integration of folk and pop elements has helped redefine mainstream music, inspiring a new generation of artists to blend diverse musical styles and reach global audiences. Sheeran not only impacts fans, but also inspires countless budding musicians. His journey from playing small gigs to performing on global stages exemplifies how dedication and passion can turn dreams into reality, encouraging young artists to pursue their musical aspirations. Ed Sheeran's accolades extend far beyond the usual music awards. His ability to resonate across different cultures and demographics has earned him honors from various prestigious institutions. These recognitions are not just for his musical talents, but also for his influence on global pop culture. In his personal life, Ed Sheeran strikes a rare balance between his public persona and private existence. Married and a father, he manages to keep his family life away from the relentless media spotlight, crafting a sanctuary amidst fame. Ed Sheeran is not just a musician, but also an artist in the literal sense. Venturing into the realm of visual arts, he has expressed his creativity through painting and collaborations with other artists, showcasing his versatility and commitment to all forms of art. Critics have often praised Ed Sheeran for his evolutionary approach to music. From his debut album to the latest releases, he has continually adapted and grown, ensuring his sound remains relevant and fresh. This adaptability has been a cornerstone of his career longevity. Beyond his music and personal ventures, Ed Sheeran has shown a steadfast commitment to philanthropy. His participation in charity concerts and support for various causes highlights his understanding of the power of his platform to effect positive global change. Ed Sheeran's live performances are nothing short of spectacular, often highlighted by his ability to engage intimately with massive crowds. His loop pedal mastery and raw vocal power create unforgettable moments that resonate with fans long after the curtains close, making each show iconic. Ed Sheeran's influence extends far beyond the music charts. His enduring appeal lies in his relatability and the heartfelt sincerity in his songs. As we wrap up, it's clear that Ed's journey is not just about the music, but also about his impact on fans worldwide. To continue exploring the fascinating world of music and its influential figures, don't forget to subscribe to the Music Educator channel. Your support helps us bring more in-depth analyses and highlights of your favorite artists. Thank you for joining us in this deep dive into the life and career of Ed Sheeran. Stay tuned for our next video, which promises to bring more insights into another beloved artist's journey and achievements. With each video, we aim to enrich your understanding of music and its creators. Join us next time on the Music Educator channel, where we continue to explore the beats and stories that shape our world.